Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Children, let us study the next chapter, designing a web page. Okay, we finished our 7th chapter presentation. I think all of you prepare the notes of that. Okay, presentation is very easy one, isn't it children? You know that in the earlier classes. Okay. Then, which are they you studied in that chapter newly? All of you understand that and keep the notes of that. In your exam, surely about the new techniques will ask. Okay, listen here now. The 8th chapter, web page designing. What is a web page, children? A web page means what we see in while we are opening a page through the internet. Okay, you are searching something always through the internet, not videos or audios. Instead of that, pages you can see. If you open any of the website, you can see its home page and the associated pages also. Okay, that type of pages are known as web pages, isn't it children? Okay, that web pages, how we can create, that we are going to study. Okay, web page we can see through the what children? Through the softwares like Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. Okay, that we are creating where children? That we are creating through text editors. Any of the text editor you can use for that purpose. Okay, what is the meaning of text editor, children? Which text editor you know? Are you remembering? The text editors are, which are they? We will get through the softwares, Windows or Linux as a simple text editor. In Windows we will get a Notepad. Do you know? Notepad. In Linux we will get a gedit text editor. Gedit text editor. Okay, that we can use for preparing web pages by using its codes or commands. Okay, we need to study how we can prepare these web pages. Let us go. Okay, we are preparing that in text editor, and its outputs we can see through Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Okay, do you got children? Understand? You understand that? And after that we have different tags. They are known as tags, which we are using for preparing HTML pages. They are known as tags. Okay, HTML tags. These tags have their own uses. That means each tag is used for what purpose? For preparing paragraphs, for preparing giving font color, different fonts, font style and its size, etc. Okay, that we will study in the time of preparation. Okay, let us go through that. Okay, hi children, let us continue our activity 8.1 in web page designing, deciding the content. Okay, listen here children, you can see here two windows. Okay, in one I prepared the basic structure of an HTML file. Look here children, Before doing the activity 8.1, we must understand these things. Okay, what is the basic structure of an HTML file? All of you must by heart this. Okay, understand first, then learn the method of the basic structure, how we want to write. Okay, see here children, first tag is HTML. What is written there? HTML. Okay, that indicates that children, it is an HTML page. Okay, that means a web page. HTML means a hypertext markup language. It is a computer language children for preparing the web pages. Hypertext markup language, HTML. For indicating the opening of an HTML file, we are using this tag. Okay, therefore we need to write first HTML. Is it clear children? Next, after that we want to give the different tags. These are known as tags. What we are writing in between the less than and greater than symbol, this is known as tag. Okay, tag, T-A-G, tag, HTML tag. Okay, first one is the opening tag of HTML. Then the second one, look here children, head. Head means in a basic structure, you can say in this HTML file have two parts. First part is the head part and the second part is the body part. Okay, from where to where head part coming and from where to where the body part coming, I will say and give you. Listen here now. Head part started with the head tag. Head tag. Okay, this is the head tag. Each of the tags have an opening tag and a closing tag children. Look here, this is the opening tag of head tag and this is also the opening tag of HTML. Now listen here, after the opening tag of HTML we need to write opening tag of head tag, opening tag of head part. Okay, then indication of the opening tag of head part is head, HED, head, in between the less than and greater than symbol. After that we need to write inside the head tag, we need to write title. What is the title? We need to see on the which is this, what part is this children? You can say this is the title of this file, isn't it? Where we can see the file name, title bar. Okay, like that way, where we want to see the title of this web page, that means in the title bar. In the title bar what we are seeing, that is written inside the title tag. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതായത് ടൈറ്റിൽ ബാറിൽ കാണാനുള്ള കണ്ടൻറ്റ്, അതായത് ടൈറ്റിൽ ബാറിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ കാണുന്നത് ഫയൽ നെയിമാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ആ ഫയൽ നെയിം കാണുന്നത് പോലെ വെബ് പേജിൽ എന്ത് കാണണം അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ടൈറ്റിൽ ടാഗിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്. മനസ്സിലായോ? ടൈറ്റിൽ ടാഗിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത് വെബ് പേജിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നമുക്ക് ടൈറ്റിൽ ബാറിൽ കാണേണ്ട കണ്ടൻ്റാണ്. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് എന്തോ ഒരു ഹെഡിങ് ആണ്. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് സ്കൂൾ കലോത്സവത്തെ പറ്റിയുള്ള ഒരു വെബ് പേജ് തയ്യാറാക്കാനാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലെ പേജ് നമ്പർ 8.3 സ്കൂൾ കലോത്സവം എന്ന ടൈറ്റിൽ ടാഗിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. അതിനു മുമ്പ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ബേസിക് സ്ട്രക്ചർ കാണിച്ചു തരാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ടീച്ചർ ഇതെടുത്തത്. ഇതാ ടീച്ചർ ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റ് എഡിറ്ററിലെ ഒറിജിനൽ HTML ഫയലിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ സ്കൂൾ കലോത്സവം എന്ന് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കണ്ടോ? ഈ സ്കൂൾ കലോത്സവം ആണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന വെബ് പേജിൻ്റെ ടൈറ്റിലിൽ കാണുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ഹെഡ് പാർട്ടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലാണ് ടൈറ്റിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ടൈറ്റിലിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുന്ന ടെക്സ്റ്റ് എവിടെ വരും? നമ്മുടെ ടൈറ്റിൽ ബാറിൽ കാണും. സിമ്പിളാണ് പിള്ളേരെ, ഇത് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാവും. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, ലിസൺ ഹിയർ ദ ബാലൻസ്. ലുക്ക് ഹിയർ. Here we prepared the title tag and we closed the title tag. In between there we write here School Kalolsavam. Okay, in between the title, opening title tag and closing title tag, we give here School Kalolsavam. After giving the title, we need to close the title tag. This is known as the closing of the title tag. That means opening tag have no this slash symbol, children. Okay, first we are writing simply in between the less than and greater than symbol title. After that we need first less than symbol, after that a slash, then we need to write a title. All the tags this way we are closing, children. Okay, this is the closing of title tag. Is it clear now? Okay, now we closed the title tag. After that it is the head part. Closing head tag. Look here children, now we need to study the head part for giving the title. Okay, title bar, what we need to get in the title bar. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാം. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ ഈ ഒരു വിൻഡോയുടെ ഇത്രയും ഭാഗമാണ് ഹെഡ് പാർട്ട് അല്ലേ? ഇത്രയും ഭാഗം, അതായത് തലഭാഗം നമ്മൾ പറയും. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഹെഡിങ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ടൈറ്റിൽ ടാഗിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ എഴുതുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അതിനുശേഷം നമ്മൾ ഹെഡ് പാർട്ട് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യും. ഹെഡ് പാർട്ട് ഇവിടെ വരെയുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? ഹെഡ് പാർട്ട് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യും. ഇതിൻ്റെ താഴേക്കുള്ളതാണ് ബോഡി പാർട്ട്, അതായത് ഇവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം എഴുതുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നോക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ, ഹെഡ് പാർട്ട് ക്ലോസ്ഡ്. ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് വി സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ദ ബോഡി പാർട്ട്. Okay, we closed the head part and we started the body part. Okay, body part means what children? Content area. Content area, that is given in your textbook figure 8.3. Content area, this is the body part, from where we are starting the body part. After closing the head part we are starting the body part, children. Then we are writing the contents inside the body part. Content inside the body part. Then body closed, then HTML closed. Okay, okay children, look here children. Then we write what content area. Inside the content area we are writing what we need, all the things what we want to see inside the web page, that we want to write inside the content area. Okay, then we need to close the body. We open the body after the head tag closing, we open the body tag, then we write the content. Okay, after that we closed all the contents, pictures, videos, tables, paragraphs, headings, or what we need. But all the things we can write inside the content area. Okay, what we need to see in the web page, that is the part of the web page what we want to see. We are not always we are not thinking about the title page, we are not looking there also, we are looking always inside the page. Okay, that is the content area. Then that is the body part. Okay children, content area. After the content area we are closing the body. This is the body part. In between the opening tag of body and closing tag of body is known as the body part, children. Okay, in between the opening tag of body and closing tag of body we are using the content area, and that is known as the body part. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, all of you listen properly. Those who didn't understand, 2 or 3 times all of you watch this video. Okay, after that we need to close the HTML tag. First we opened the HTML tag, children. After finishing completely all these things, we must close the HTML tag. That means closing tag of HTML. Is it clear now? Then only it will be complete, children, after closing the HTML tag. This is the basic structure of an HTML file, children. This is the basic structure of an HTML file. Okay. Therefore, this file we created in a text editor. You can see here. This I am going to close, children. This is the original HTML file which we prepared. Then that we need to save, children. Okay, save. Where we need to save? In my folder. I prepared one of the folder for you as HTML. Here I am going to save it as Kalolsavam. Children. Then that is saved. Is it clear now? What is happened? Do you see now? The colors changed. Is it clear, children? The colors of the tags only changed. What we write school color also, the title, that is not changed. Do you understand now, children? If you write properly, the color of the tags changed this way. Okay, now we saved that, children. Let us minimize this. I am going to minimize this only. Okay, children. .html colorsound.html we need to save. Give here, children, properly you must give colorsound.html. Is it clear now? Colorsound.html. Colorsound you want to write as the file name, and .html you must give for indicating it as a HTML file. Is it clear? If we double click here, what is happening? Look here. Opening Colorsound. Do you see? Mozilla Firefox here and opened. School Colorsound, can you see here, children? That only here in content area, nothing we write. Isn't it? Content area, nothing we write there. Here in your textbook, you can see inside the body, content area is written. Look, just write that. Content area. Okay. Do you see now? Content area. Okay. Content area. What we need? Just we need to file save. Then minimize this. Then refresh. Do you see now content area here? Okay. This is the school Kalolsavam. This is the school Kalolsavam. This is the file name, children. This is the title tag that we write there. Okay. School Kalolsavam. School Kalolsavam we write there. Look here once more we can say. I gave the file name only Kalolsavam, children. Look. Kalolsavam only. But here school Kalolsavam. What is that? That is what we gave inside the HTML, isn't it? This is not what we gave inside the title tag. School Kalolsavam. Look here, it is Kalolsavam.html. What is the difference? You understand? This is the title tag text what we gave here. Here is now school. Okay. This is the file name only, children. This is the output of these tags. Which one? This Mozilla Firefox window is the output. Look here, children. I will show you. Look here. This is our, let us change this. Look, but this is our HTML file, and this is our output. Okay, now you can see content area here and school Kalolsavam here. Inside the title tag school Kalolsavam, that is here, and content area, this is the content area. Simply write content area. Okay, okay children, I think all of you understand. Look here children, according to your textbook figure 8.1 I prepared here, I changed the HTML file. Okay, look here, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph that is written here inside the body tag. Okay, but one more tag we used here children, H1. H1 means what children? H1 is used for giving one heading style children. Different heading styles we have. The tag for one style of heading is H1. H1, H2, H3, H3 up to H6 we have children. This is the H1 style heading. Look here, I gave here H1 open. After that I write that this is a heading. Then I closed that because if in between the opening tag and closing tag we are writing the matter children. Okay, in between the opening tag and the closing tag. After opening one tag, write the matter. After that you must close that. That is the rule of HTML children. Okay, you understand that children? After opening the H1 heading style, we write the matter, then we close the H1. Then simply I write here, this is a paragraph, this is another paragraph. After that, the body closed, HTML closed. Okay, inside the body. What is the difference? Let us see. Look here, after I am file saving is to save. Okay, inside the Kalolsavam itself we saved that. Then look here children, I am going to refresh here. Do you understand what is the change happened? While we opened one time the output, you can see that after refreshing. Okay, only the changes we want to make here, then save, then refresh. Do you understand children? First we made the changes here, then we must save file, save, then give a refresh button. Okay, click on the refresh button or reload button. Okay, now you can see this is the H1 size. Do you see now? It is as in the form of a heading. This is a paragraph, this is another paragraph is written here in this way children. Okay, why? In textbook you can see that in 2 lines. We will not give, I gave here in 2 lines, but that is not here in 2 lines. This is a paragraph, this is another paragraph in 1 line itself you can see. Why? We must give one break here children. The tag for getting the next line. All that we need to give tags children. Okay, look here, we can give that. BR is the tag for break. Okay, let us file, save, refresh. Do you see now? Only simply give one tag BR for break. This is an opening closing tag together children. Let us give like this way. Also opening, in between there nothing, no content. That is why BR tag you can give in the same line itself. Okay, closing and opening, file, save, refresh in the another line. Do you see now the color changed? In this way you can give a BR, otherwise simple BR also you can use for getting it, no problem. Okay. Okay. Inside there is no content, that is why children, file, save, refresh. We got the line 2 sentences in 2 lines. For it is a break. It is a break. Okay. Okay children, do you understand that part? This is a heading. We don't want this is a heading. This is a paragraph. This is another paragraph. We don't want this type of text inside our web page. Isn't it children? We can let us study original web page. Okay, to learn only learning you only I write these. Okay, we can study the original web page, how we can prepare it. Adding a page heading. Okay, heading styles you can see in table 8.1 children, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, etc. Let us simply give that heading styles. This is a paragraph I am giving here, children. Look here, I am writing all of it here. Okay, children, that is finished. Then file, save, then refresh. Do you see now what is the difference here? This is a paragraph. H1 is the biggest size, you know. Do you understand now? H1 is the biggest size, H2 is less than H1 and H3 is less than H2. Is it clear now, children? This is in table 8.1. You can see HTML elements, first heading, second heading, third heading is given in your textbook. I gave here this way. This is a paragraph, this is a heading, this is another paragraph. In this way I showed you. Okay, then let us study activity 8.3, adding a page heading. Okay, what type of page heading? This is a heading we don't want, children. Instead of this is a heading, we can write there what, children, that is given in your textbook, GHSS Malappuram. Let us write our school's name. Write there our school name. Okay, Kalolsavam instead of, this is another paragraph I am writing here, children, Kalolsavam. Okay, children, Kalolsavam, this is another paragraph. Now we don't want. Okay, test 3 for showing you only I there, I am deleting that. All the changes you can make here, children. After that, we don't want now break here, isn't it? Delete that break. File, just save, then refresh. Do you see how easily it is changed? St. Joseph HSS Chirapuzha, Kalolsavam. Okay, instead of GHSS Malappuram, Kalolsavam, you can see here. Okay, okay, children. Let us include a banner is the next activity. Banner means here one of the image we need to add. Okay, after Kalolsavam H2 we need to add a banner here. Banner here they are saying one of the image, children. In image we need to add. For that, what is the tag we need to give? ing we need to give there, children. Here you can see in a manner that is written to understand you. Let us write that way, no problem. Below or anyway you can write, children. In that way if you write it is the part of the body, you can simply understand, isn't it? Here if there is a space, that no problem, children. Okay, let us write that way, you can see, no problem. Okay, now image ing, before image we can type ing is the tag for image, children. img space src source, src for source. Do you see the color changed? img src, then want to put is equal to, is equal to, then double quotes, want to start there children. Then image slash banner 1.jpg. What is that? The name of the image is that children. Okay, let us see how we can take that. I am minimizing this children. Okay, all of you understand, I am minimizing this also I am minimizing. Let us go through home and school resources. Where children? In school resources, in standard 9th, you can see here images. Okay, here the images of child labor majority you can see here children. School color also, here is not I see. Look here, let us change web page resources images. Do you see now? In web page resources images you can see what different types of school colors on images children. In that banner one, which one is that? Any of the image you can select children. I am selecting now this image. Okay, then we can't copy. You want to right click, copy. Do you understand how we want to copy? Right click, copy. Then we can close this. Go back to the colors of HTML and paste. Do you see now what is here? You can see how what is the path. Where is that file that you can completely see here children. Then double quotes close and greater than also you want to keep there children. In home, user, school resources, standard 9, web page resources, images 9.jpg. You can see complete path with the file name here children. Okay, then images is also, I don't want to give the space. Okay, just file, save, just save only. Then open the output file. You can see here the output file. Refresh. Do you see now children? Now let us see the complete file. Maximize and see the complete file here. Do you see now the heading, colors of and an image? This much we studied children today. Okay, do you see now? Okay children, let us change the background of the page also children. Let us change the background of the page. How can you change the background of the page? Let us see. Body BG color, only one give here. Let us minimize this children. Okay, now open this colorsound.html and for giving the background color of this, instead of this white color we can give a background color for the complete HTML body. Okay, body, one of the body tag is that children. Therefore in the body, in the opening body tag we must give, we can give that only one tag we can give inside the body. Okay, body space BG for background, BG color, CO yellow. BG color is one attribute children. Therefore you don't make a space there. Attribute means what children? One of the facility available in body tag. That means one of the, what we can say, attribute means it's one of the property. Okay, one of the property we can give inside the body tag. There given green given here children in your textbook. What we want to give children? I am simply giving green or yellow giving children. Yellow. Okay. Instead of green, I gave there yellow gave. Then that is finished. You see here, children, for attributes img src is one of the attribute. Im image is the tag, bg color is the attribute. Look here, its color, how values color yellow's color water, and src color, bg color, etc. It's the color. All of you check, children. Okay, file, save, then refresh. Do you see now? Yellow. Okay, children, we studied now giving first title inside the title. Now we are not listening the title tag here. Title. After that, gave the heading St. Joseph Sister Gura, then Kalotsavam. Then we gave one beautiful picture inside it. After that, we gave the background color also. Okay, children, do you understand this? Is it clear now? Okay, let us today conclude, children. All of you please write all these things in your notebook, children. That basic structure you must write inside the notebook. Surely that will come in the exam, children. All of you study well. Okay, second part only for your exam. Practical also all of you study well.